In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use Canva and make at least $100 a day. Let's go. Okay, so you just go to canva.com, completely free, and you have a new option now called canva.ai. Just click on the box right here. Number one way of making at least $100 per day, you want to create logos. So let's say you have a pet sitting company, you want to work for a pet sitting company and create their logos. So create, I don't know, let's say they're called Pet Heaven. Create a logo for my pet sitting company called Pet. Let's find a name. Pet Precious, whatever the name is. And you just wait for the magic to happen. So Canva is just gonna create a logo for you, actually multiple logos. And here you have a few logos. So Pet Precious, Pet Precious. So you can, guys, just select some of these logos. You can go on websites like Fiverr or Upwork and sell your artwork. So simply just say that you can create logos for a very cheap price. See, like the prices here, I will do modern business logo design with copyrights. I mean, the prices, this is in Canadian dollar. From what you can see, it goes from like $22 up to $190, $875 actually. I will create an elegant logo design in a complete brand identity. But anyways, you don't have to start for very expensive. It goes even to $1,000, guys. So you just play with Canva. You can tweak it. You can pick a logo and then tweak it more if you want to. So that's idea number one. Idea number two, very simple. You just want to create YouTube thumbnails and resell them. So you can scroll and see the ones that are really trendy. Let's say you want to create something similar to this. So you'll simply go to here to your Canva, to the home, and you want to put YouTube thumbnails. It's got already the format that you need, so it's perfect. What you can do as well is use the templates right here. So let's say you want to emulate something similar to this. So it's a dark background. So you'll just go here. What you can do is go to, this one is dark. Let's take this one. So simple, you're just gonna delete that. You want to add your photo. So, well, first of all, you want to emulate that. So it's just a photo and a number. So let's say you just need to get rid of this. Okay, let's keep it like that. So here you go. You have a thumbnail. You can literally resell that on, again, Fiverr, Upwork, and sell it for cheap. Some people just don't have time to create thumbnails. So that's your idea number two. Idea number three is a theme page for TikTok, Instagram, even Facebook. So what you want to do, let's say you want Instagram, you're into surfing. This page, they already have a website right here. But what you want to do is put your own link right there. As you can see, they have different videos and they have a huge audience. Look at that. Look at the views. It's massive. And there are different videos. So what you can do, you can take that video, let's say, so you want to download the video. So you'll go in the three dots right here. You just copy the link right there. So let's do it. Copy the link. Then you'll go to snapinsta.to. You will paste the link, download. Here you have your video. You just download the video. It is downloaded right here, as you can see. To do it again, I don't know what happened. But anyway, so you have your video. Now you want to go back to Canva and you want to create an Instagram reel right here. So you'll go here. Very simple. So what we'll do, we have to download the video. You want to upload the video right here. So you're going to upload the file. I just downloaded it here. Here is our video. So you just extend it all the way. Perfect. Then what you want to do, you want to, well, let's put the volume down so we can work on it. Then you want to add a box. So you go to element here. I want to add a square box. We can put it at the top right here, right there. We're going to make it white, or actually I liked it that color, don't you? Then you just want to add some text. So let's add some text. And you want to catch the attention of the viewers. We want to keep the audience. So it's all about retention here. So what you're going to do, or something catchy. Like I don't have any inspiration right now, right about now. But if you find some inspiration, there you go. So you just want to put the text at the top. Now let's leave it like that. Let's move that here. Again, we need to make it smaller. So once you created that video, you can create a page, the same principle as this one. So you put a name, a description, put your link, and you can sell whatever you want through that link, or if you have a website or anything, and that's how you're gonna make that work. And don't forget as well to credit the author of the video. So let's say you pick a video from this page, Nobody Surf, make sure you tag them in your description. The other idea is to create a printable. A printable can be anything from a planner, to-do list, calendar, could be a party invitation, wedding invitations. It could be so many things, ebooks, whatever you can think of that you can print. Very simple, printable, you print it. So let's say, let's use Canva AI. Can you create a budget planner, a weekly budget planner? The colors should be bold and classy, and it should be easy to use for the busy moms. And let's see what Canva is going to do. Here you have some budget planners. It's so cool, right? Like, look, you just type, like typically you just type what you want. And then you can use one of the planners here. I'm not sure how to create this specific type of design yet, but I'm learning. I'll show you some related templates. So even if the AI doesn't have cannot create whatever you're asking for, if it has it in the database of Canva, it will show it to you. And you can literally pick one, tweak it, say this one is cool, you can tweak it, and then you can resell that on Etsy, you can resell that uh, on your social media platform. You just put a link, as I showed you already on multiple videos, put a link on your social media page, and you can resell that for cheap. It could be like for $5. And the more you sell, the more money you make. So that's for the printables. I also have a free guide on how to create digital products. Please feel free, and how to promote them and everything. It's completely free, and you can get the guide in the description. I'll put the link of my website. You can just go ahead and get the free guide. So the idea number 5 is going to be to create a presentation on Canva. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the home page. If you want, we can go there, and you want to put create. And here on the side, you'll have presentations. So you go on presentations, you already have some templates that are ready for you to transform to your liking. So you have two solutions right there. You can create simply a written presentation. So you put slides. So let's say you want to create a presentation using this one. You can just click on there, and then here you can just change your title and put it the way you want. You can change the image as well. So you just click here. You can put the background remover, edit, do whatever you want. And if you want to add slides, you just go here. You go to add pages. So you can add multiple pages. You can also edit the timing and make it longer if you want. So if you want to create a longer presentation, you want the slides to stay longer on the screen, you can definitely do that here. What would be a great idea to do is to add, let's say, if you want to create a presentation where you're actually on a video and you're talking, presenting the topic that you're talking about, what you can do, and I think what would be a great idea is to add, so you can add a video on the screen, on the slide. So here, let's pretend you want to add just a frame of you, but you want, let's see what they have. You want a round frame, or you want a square one like this. So you're going to put it here on the side. Let's say, you're here, and here you're going to add some writing on the side right here. So you just add the text over here, write whatever you want, and then, you can create whatever you want. But here, you want to upload. I'm going to upload a file. And you know what? We're going to upload the video of the surfing video. So let's try to find those right here. But, let's say it's you talking. Okay. So you want to put that right here. Okay, here. Cancel the sound. But here you go. So you can just like simply record yourself and put it here on the side. And you would be like talking here and have the text popping up, whatever you're presenting. And that, I think, is a great idea. That's completely different to anything else. You can as well just simply just put an entire video of you as a presentation. So there's a title, and then you have the presentation. And that, I think, would be a great idea to create a course or a presentation about anything you want, any topic you're knowledgeable about, and talk about it. I think that is brilliant. You can again promote that on your social media, add your link, on your Instagram, or if you go to your Instagram, just add your link at the top. And like myself here, I added my link right here. So you just add your link and promote your product. So Canva is amazing for that because it's so versatile. You can do so many things with it. I do hope this was useful. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video because, I'm still doing that challenge where I'm posting a video per day for 30 days pretty much. And I'm past the halfway mark. So soon you'll know what I think about posting every single day. See you guys.